In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Restless Gambler in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to play as the Restless Gambler on any platform, and as long as you note down the description of the abilities here and how to use them, you will be able to take advantage of his full potential. So I'm gonna join a private server that I have set up for Jujutsu Shenanigans, and I'll begin displaying what the Restless Gambler is capable of. So you will be able to switch between the characters here at the top of the screen, and once you choose Restless Gambler, you will spawn in. So you have 4 abilities: Reserve Balls, Shutter Doors, Rough Energy, and Fever Breaker. I'm gonna use them in order, and you will be able to see what they do. So first, Reserve Balls, you will just shoot a projectile in front of you. This is going to be blockable, and it bypasses ragdolls. It is interruptible, and the description is that it's going to flick this small white projectile and these ragdolls if the enemy is near the user. If the enemy is not near, it is going to stun the target and deal small amounts of damage. So you can use this to get an opening on an enemy who is quite far away. Next, you have Shutter Doors. As you can see, it spawns 2 Shutter Doors and it crushes the enemy in between them. So you are able to use this to combo into other abilities basically. The user manifests the Shutter Door from Private Pure Love Train Pachinko game that crushes the enemy. This temporarily stuns them. If you are close enough and the mouse is on the target, the Shutter Doors will lock onto the enemy and spawn at their location rather than in front of you. So as long as you are close enough, they will lock into the enemy, as you can see here, and not in front of me. The next thing you have is Rough Energy. So as you can see, it is this punch where you grab a bunch of green energy and you release it forward. So you will wind up your fist, collect all of the cursed energy, and punch the enemy using this energy with insane damage. This is also going to send them flying. So it's important that you use this in an appropriate scenario, because if you send them flying away from you, they might be able to escape. The last thing you have is Fever Breaker. As you can see, it's a move where you dash in and you kick them once again with cursed energy. So you will be able to kick the opponent towards 2 Shutter Doors before following up with a second kick that is going to send them flying. This move can bypass Ragdoll after using up tilt, although it has a very small window. And of course, you will be able to get your form here once you fill out your ultimate bar. Immediately upon activating this, you will actually do your domain expansion. And this is how it looks like. In the Awakened moveset, you will have similar abilities. All of them will be incremented, and you have a lot of stuff going on. But in this domain, there will be text at the top left explaining how the domain works, and when the cutscene ends, everyone will be able to move around and freely use their abilities inside of the domain. You will be able to use these visual moves here, and after using 2 of these visual moves, a scenario is going to happen like this one. And you will be able to browse or combine all of these actions to do different scenarios. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Restless Gambler in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.